Welcome. If you're tired of those constant push notifications from Facebook popping up in your browser, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable browser push notifications for your Facebook page on your PC, using the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click. From the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of pages you manage. Click on the page you want to manage notifications for. This will take you directly to your page's main profile. Now, look for your page's profile photo. Click on it to open the page's menu. Here, you'll find several options to customize your page's settings. Next, scroll down and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will open up a new page with all the settings you can adjust for your Facebook page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of settings categories. Find and click on Notifications. This section controls all the notifications you receive for your page. Within the Notifications menu, look for the option labeled Browser. Click on it and you'll see the settings for browser push notifications. To finally disable those browser push notifications, simply toggle the switch to turn them off. Once you do this, you won't receive any more push notifications from Facebook for this page while you're browsing on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully disabled browser push notifications for your Facebook page. No more unwanted pop-ups, just a cleaner, quieter browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.